Jai Srimanarayana. 7th sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Niyatasya tu sanyasaha karmano nopapadyate मोहात् तस्य परित्यागः तामसः परिकीर्तितः। ॐ Keep checking yourself. If you are inclining towards renunciation of obligatory and occasional spiritual and religious activities, that means you are under the influence of tamasic quality. Get rid of that. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall never renounce obligatory and occasional spiritual and religious activities. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall get rid of tamasic effect on me. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey all your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमुपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ॐ हरये नमः. श्रीमद्भागवतमु दशमस्कन्धमु 10th स्कन्धं 367th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Brahmanas were regretting like this. Sakshat Paramatma Adhokshaja Sri Krishna Bhagavan came down, but we did not go there and had his darshanam. Aho pasyata narinam api Krishne Jagadgurau. We have committed such a huge sin, but whereas our wives, they have lot of affection and devotion upon Sri Krishna Paramatma. With that, they were able to get rid of this mrityu pasam. Nasam dvijati samskaraha. Our wives, they did not have any upanayanam or other samskaram. Na nivaso guravapi. Our wives, they did not stay in Gurukulam. They did not observe any brahmacharyam. Na tapo, na atma mimamsa, na saucham, na kriyaha subhaha. Our wives have not done any tapasya and never thought about atma and does not have any kind of saucham. They did not do any kind of subha karmas. Yet, tadhapihi uttamasloke krishne yogesvare bhaktihi drudha. They have such a strong, very powerful bhakti. They have such a great amount of bhakti towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is Uttama Shloka, who is Yogesvaresvara. Whereas, although we have everything, but nach asmakam samskaradimatamapi, we do not have right amount of bhakti towards Krishna Paramatma. We do not have the most essential thing, bhakti towards Paramatma. That is why our main goal is Paramatma. We forgot that. But Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is most compassionate, he reminded us about our ultimate goal and the power of greatness of association of great people. Now let us all do namaskaram to such great Krishna Paramatma. Kshiti Rakshimpa Janinchina Sri Bhartaku Kartakun Memum Rokkedamu Rakshonadha Samvartakun. We are doing namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma, who came down to protect this entire universe. We are doing namaskaram to Paramatma, who is the spouse of Sri Mahalakshmi Devi. We are doing namaskaram to Paramatma, who is the creator of this entire universe. We are doing namaskaram to Paramatma, who removes all kind of rakshasas. Like that, all the Brahmanas started regretting and doing namaskaram to Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 7th sloka. Niyatasya tu sannyasaha karmano nopapadyate. మోహాత్ తస్య పరిత్యాగః తామసః పరికీర్తితః నియతస్య తు సన్యాసః కర్మణో నోపపద్యతే మోహాత్ తస్య పరిత్యాగః తామసః పరికీర్తితః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.